All right, we're gonna go do a quick garden check. It's been a minute, either yesterday or the day before, and they harvested a ton of shelling peas. So gradually harvesting all of these. These are our paste tomatoes. I mean, there's tons and tons and tons of paste tomatoes. They are going crazy. This is awesome. Got some cherries reddening up. Bush beans that they came out and harvested as well. Nat said some of these beefsteaks are starting to pop. Yeah, there's some beefsteaks. Good morning, I am Dustin Aleman. This is Aleman Family Homestead. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead and hit subscribe. Keep bringing comments, feedback. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hey, today we've got a hog move. We're gonna go move the hogs. We're gonna get Annabelle milked and do a garden check. We'll bring you along. All right, we're gonna go do a quick garden check. It's been a minute. I haven't been in the garden for, gosh, it's been a number of days, but it's been great. Nat and the kids were out there, was that yesterday? Either yesterday or the day before, and they harvested a ton of shelling peas, tons of beans. So we love dilly beans. Natalie will make dilly beans. So we've got a ton of peas, ton of beans. They got one paste tomato, which is great. Pulled that off the vine. It's not the best slicing tomato. We usually will roast them and freeze them or make sauces, but I think we might try to make some salsa with that. Some jalapenos. We've been pulling zucchinis like crazy, and a cucumber. So gradually harvesting the garden here. I'll bring you guys in, show you what we got going on here. Yeah, so you can see these peppers right away as soon as we walk in. I mean, they're popping up, doing their thing. You can see these pumpkins are flowering all over the place. Again, something Nat and I talked about doing next year is really utilizing these trusses and this hardware cloth, because that has been a game changer over there, allowing the squashes to climb those. If we can do that throughout one entire row, I mean, that's just gonna free up so much space. You can see our volunteer tomatoes just kind of took over everything. They took over this jalapeno plant, which is a bummer, but it'll still do it. It'll still do its thing. This happened last year. We still got tons of jalapenos. So lots of volunteer tomatoes. They're doing their thing. Every now and again, you're just gonna see a random pumpkin vine. Yeah, there's a pumpkin just popping. Look at these, all of these are our paste tomatoes. I mean, there's tons and tons and tons of paste tomatoes. I'm gonna go check out these. My favorite are these sun gold cherries. I know when I was in here about a week ago, a lot of them are starting to turn, so I'm gonna go grab some of those. We've got tomatoes, cucumbers are starting to climb the wall. You can see these spaghetti squashes, which are they are going crazy. This is awesome. So I talked about this a few videos ago, how we're still eating our spaghetti squash from last year, and we didn't do anything with them. We just store them in a cold, dark place, and they're gonna do their thing. So you can see how this is just climbing this hardware cloth. We tied that to the truss at the beginning of the season, and this is a game changer. So I think next year we're really gonna utilize this vertical system. I
think the squash bugs are gone because you're sipping.
Nat said she thinks the squash bugs are gone. So they came in and they drowned them. They sprayed with soap. We let the chickens in here for 3 days. So
I think that did it.
Yeah, the chickens came in and
I don't see a single one.
Nat thinks it took care of it. So,
but you took over the plant.
You can see what they did here. They devastated.
It'll come back. I mean,
this pumpkin. These were our fun pumpkins, our Halloween pumpkins, and they did a number on it. But I think we got them. That's in. So yep, we got one here. This guy's doing fine. He's gonna grow. We always end up planting these too late, and then we don't end up with pumpkins. But we'll see.
Kind of these like
So Nat said she did. She planted these. She did a good job in terms of timing. The challenge we're running into this year is she planted them at the right time, but we just got devastated with squash bugs. But again, the positive to this is the squash bugs attacked the only plant in here that we're not eating. These are decorative. These are just fun things for the kids. At the end of the day, I would rather them eat those or attack that plant than any of the other plants we're trying to eat. 'Cause everything we're doing here, we're trying to grow food here. So, best worst case scenario, if that makes sense. All right. Oh yeah, look at these. Here's some cherries. Got some cherries reddening up. I'm gonna go ahead and pick some of these and eat those. I swear we had a ton of. All right, so these are the shelling peas that Nat and the kids came out and harvested. I mean, we have a whole basket of those.
The wind just keeps pushing it down from the outside.
And the wind keeps pushing it down, so that's why they're falling over. So for whatever reason, their little tentacles aren't grabbing onto this poultry net. These are the shelling peas that the kids in Nat. Bush beans. Sorry, bush beans that they came out and harvested as well. Nat said some of these beef steaks are starting to pop. Yeah, there's some beef steaks. And then we've got a new variety. Nat's saying this. It's an Italian. It's San Marziano or something like that. We don't know. We don't know. Again, we don't concern ourselves. The proper saying. It's just a new Roma tomato. So those are starting to pop. I was really hoping we were gonna have some red beef steaks. We're doing burgers tonight. Not yet. Not yet. All good. All right, we're gonna get these hogs moved. I think we're gonna do one more flop towards me. So we've been coming this way. So I'm gonna do one more flop. You see all this just junk. I just want them to tear this up. Nat and the kids actually flopped this fence yesterday, so we're done with the hens. And I love Evie's been out here with her ducks. She put little ducks in here in their pond. Look at that. It's cute. I love it. All right, we're gonna get you hoggies moved. We're gonna flop them this way. Come on, pigs. Go. Go eat. Come on, go eat. Go eat.
Good girl.
Good?
Good.
All right, so the last thing we can do, pigs are all moved, hogs are all moved. Again, we're jumping off this hot fence to here. So as soon as I connect this here, this is hot. The other end of this is hot right now. Yeah, you can hear that thing snapping. Yep, so the hog water, Nat's gonna go shut that. We forgot to turn that water off. We were filling up that water. Forgot to give you a before and after. I can show you guys next time on the meat pigs, but you see what these breeders did. Again, in 1 week, did a pretty good job. And this is how long that grass was. 1 week, and they destroyed that. So they're on some fresh grass. Hopefully, I think next week we're getting to the point where we're gonna be able to flop everybody on this side of this fence, and then we can run everyone parallel to one another. So that's the plan, that's the thought. We've had these breeders on this hot fence for 3 weeks. So hopefully they're they're respecting it, and then we can start using the solar energizers moving forward. So the water overflowed, and that's it. All these hogs are piling up. Look at these pigs.
Pig party. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're filthy.
But this is fun. Cools me down.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
There you go, pigs being pigs. They were all piled up together. Look at them all. They're all filthy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so pigs love this natural swills, or what is it? What's this called? I don't know. They naturally do this. But the problem is this area now is just they're gonna root the heck out of it. So it's natural, they want it. This is good for them. You can see they're all covered in mud. We're just gonna have a big hole here, which is fine. It's not the end of the world. They're right next to that electric too. Oh, the fence is off. Annabelle, so Nat brought her some fresh alfalfa.
Baby alfalfa.
She loves it. Look at that.
Yeah, that's mine.
Hi.
Good girl. She's a good girl.
I didn't even see. It's too dark. God knows moon. Girl.
Okay, done.
Bronco's growing more.
All right, we are going to call it a day today. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our goal for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a gold nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe, give us a like. Keep bringing those comments, feedback. Appreciate y'all. Catch you next time.